The world is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is everywhere and it's growing exponentially. If you don't adapt, you will fall behind, and this trend will only get stronger in the future. In this video, we are going to look at 5 tools that can make you a millionaire in 2025. Now, these tools are not some crazy get-rich-quick scheme. They are practical, and they are based on my experience in the field of artificial intelligence. These tools can help anyone make money. For the first tool, we are going to look at an AI tool called Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI tool that generates images from text prompts. It was created by a team of engineers and designers, and it uses a large language model called GPT-3 to generate responses to text prompts. The images generated by Midjourney are often surreal and dreamlike, and they have been used in a wide variety of creative projects. Some people use it for wallpapers or avatars. Other people use it to create artwork or tattoos. And some people even use it to create video game assets. But there is another way to use Midjourney that is even more profitable. There are already many people who are making money with this method. There is a website called Etsy where people can sell digital products such as artwork and NFTs. And guess what? Midjourney has recently launched a feature that allows users to sell their work directly on Etsy. This means that you can use Midjourney to create artwork and then upload it to Etsy to sell without any additional work. For example, if you wanted to create a poster of a cat sitting on a rainbow, you could do it in 3 easy steps. First, generate an image of a cat sitting on a rainbow using Midjourney. Then save the image as a JPEG file. Finally, upload the file to Etsy and set your price. And the best part is that you don't need to be an artist to do this. You can literally use Midjourney to generate any image you want and sell it on Etsy for profit. And the demand for this type of artwork is huge. People are always looking for new and unique artwork to buy, and they are willing to pay good money for it. Now let me give you an example of someone who is already doing this and making thousands of dollars per month. There is a guy named Harry Street who has an Etsy store where he sells digital artwork. He uses Midjourney to generate all of his artwork, and he makes around $5,000 per month from his store. Harry is not an artist, and he doesn't have any special skills. He is just an ordinary person who decided to try out Midjourney and Etsy, and it has paid off big time. Now, I'm not saying that everyone who uses Midjourney will make $5,000 per month, but I am saying that the potential is definitely there, and if you are willing to put in the effort, you can make a lot of money with this method. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that this method is too competitive and that everyone is already doing it. But that's not true. There are still many opportunities out there, and it's not too late to get started. In fact, I think this is just the beginning of a new trend that will continue to grow in the future. As more and more people discover the power of AI tools like Midjourney, they will start using them to create digital artwork that they can sell online. And if you are one of the early adopters, you will be able to get ahead of the curve and make a lot of money. But if you want to take things to the next level, you can combine Midjourney with another AI tool called Stable Diffusion XL. Stable Diffusion XL is a free and open-source text-to-image AI model that is extremely powerful. It is considered to be one of the best text-to-image AI models in the world, and it is only getting better with time. You can use Stable Diffusion XL to generate images that are even higher quality than those generated by Midjourney, and you can use the same process to upload them to Etsy for sale. The second tool on our list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that is developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. For example, if you ask ChatGPT how to make money online, it might tell you to start a blog or sell products on Amazon. Or if you ask ChatGPT what are the best stocks to buy now, it might tell you to invest in companies that are growing quickly. Now, these answers might seem generic and obvious, but the real power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to generate creative and innovative responses. For example, if you ask ChatGPT how to make money with AI, it might tell you to create an AI-powered service that helps businesses automate tasks. And if you ask ChatGPT what are the best investments for the future, it might tell you to invest in companies that are developing new AI technologies. These answers are much more specific and actionable, and they can be very helpful if you are looking for new business ideas or investment opportunities. So ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to make money in the world of AI. The third tool on our list is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is a new AI tool that is being developed by Adobe, and it is going to revolutionize the way people create digital art. Adobe Firefly is a text-to-image AI model that is specifically designed for creating illustrations and other types of digital art. It is trained on a massive data set of images and text, and it uses deep learning algorithms to generate new images that are similar to the ones in the training data. What makes Adobe Firefly different from other text-to-image AI models is that it is specifically designed for creating illustrations. This means that it can generate images that are more detailed and realistic than other AI-generated images. And one of the best things about Adobe Firefly is that it is going to be free to use. This means that anyone will be able to use it to create their own digital art without having to pay expensive fees. Now, Adobe Firefly is still in development, but it is expected to be released sometime in 2024. And when it is released, it is going to be a game changer for the world of digital art. The fourth tool on our list is a website called Design Gradients. Design Gradients is a website that provides a huge library of color palettes and gradients that can be used for web design, graphic design, and other creative projects. It also provides tools for creating and editing color palettes and gradients. But here is the best part. Design Gradients is now powered by AI, which makes it even more powerful and useful. The AI-powered features of Design Gradients include things like generating color palettes based on text descriptions, recommending gradients based on the user's design style, and even creating custom gradients based on the user's input. These features make it easier than ever for designers to find the perfect colors and gradients for their projects. The fifth and final tool on our list is FontForge. FontForge is a free and open-source font editor, and it is used to create and edit fonts for use in graphic design, typography, and other creative projects. It is a powerful tool that is used by professional designers, but it is also very complex and difficult to learn. However, there is a new development that is changing everything. There is a new AI tool that is being developed that will make it possible for anyone to create professional-looking fonts with just a few clicks of a button. This tool is currently in development, but it is expected to be released soon. And if you are a designer, this is something you should definitely keep an eye on. This new development has the potential to revolutionize the way fonts are created, and it could make FontForge much more accessible to beginners. These 5 tools are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more AI tools that can be used to make money in 2025. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and keep learning about new developments in the field of AI. If you do that, you will be able to use AI to your advantage and make a lot of money. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to learn more about AI, check out my other videos. I have a lot of great content that can help you learn about AI and how to use it to make money. Have a great day.